Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing an image that matches your Acer's screen resolution so it won't stretch. Once chosen, save it to desktop or pictures for quick access. Now open Settings, go to Personalization, then Background. Alternatively, right-click the image file in File Explorer. This direct approach gets you into the right menu immediately. Make sure to keep the original file in case you need to crop or revert. It saves time and avoids accidental quality loss. Once in Background Settings, choose Picture for single images or Slideshow for rotating wallpapers. Click Browse, select your saved image, and then pick a fit option. Fill preserves aspect ratio, stretch forces cover, center keeps original size. If you have dual monitors, make sure to assign per display wallpapers or span a panoramic image across both. This prevents odd cropping. Also check night light and HDR settings, as they can change how colors appear. Adjust those if the image looks washed out or oversaturated. After applying, verify the wallpaper appears on the desktop. If it doesn't, try signing out or restarting to force the setting. If colors, scaling, or performance seem off, update your display or GPU drivers through Device Manager because drivers control how images render. Finally, if Windows refuses the file, convert it to JPG or a matching resolution and reapply. This usually fixes compatibility problems. If problems persist, test another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.